Okay, if you're using VGA cords, then you're going to have to use this auxiliary sound cord because VGA only gives video and no sound, whereas HDMI gives you video and sound, eliminating the cord. So, we're hooking up with VGA right now. So we're going to need to take one end and go underneath to the back and find where to hook it up, which, if you can see, is right there.
Right next to the other, not right next to the...
The power cord is going to go there, where those prongs are. And there's also, since we have a good look at it right now, well, there's also an on-off switch over there. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so we're going to get under here. And my hand's probably in the way, but...
No, it's right. It goes in the... It's just like a mic.
Yeah, it's just like a headphone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so you try that.
Okay. Into the headphones. Good. Okay, next, power
Into the
cord.
headphones on the computer. Power cord.
Power cord, which you may want to do first. Doesn't matter. I'm going to put this end, looks like that, into the opposite end, underneath here again. You see me?
Yeah.
And now, right next to it is this on-off power switch, which you're going to want to turn on, which is actually now turning on.
Okay. And plug it into the wall.
Goes into the wall. Okay. Next, remote. They gave you 2 batteries in a bag. That was not with the remote, but they're in there. 2 AAA batteries. All right, and when you first hook it up, it's going to say no signal. That's because you haven't told it what signal you want. So, we did VGA. So there's 2 ways. You can use your remote and actually just push VGA, face it to it, and push VGA.
Do I have to log on?
Not yet.
Okay.
And then you also have a source button on the front bottom panel, right here. And that's the same thing as what's on the remote. I think the remote is easier.
Yeah.
Okay, so VGA. Now, a lot of times you need to tell the computer, it's going to say no signal again. Tell the computer you need to go to a extended display. So, log in.
Let me get the screen on that.
Okay. Take it off here. Okay. And you're going to go to Start, Control Panel. I'm taking it a long way. There will be a shorter way I'll show you, but connect to a projector and go to Duplicate. Now the faster way to do that is to hit the Windows sign and P at the same time, and then that just brings you right to it.
Different on a Mac.
Instead of, yeah.
One thing at a time.
All right. So that's in, that's in, that's in. VGA. I'm frustrated with its time lagging.
And it says VGA.
Yep. This is sort of what I had this problem with pans. I'm going to just look at the resolution.
Let me show the screen. If you have this problem.
If you have this problem.
This is what you do.
Oh.
And adjust. Oh. No.
There we go. Okay.
Adjust
screen resolution. So you're going to go to. It's not showing it.
Duplicate.
Okay. Orientation, duplicate these displays. Okay, that should be it.
And then click OK.
Yeah, that should be it. is what happened to Pam's too. Okay, so if this happens, also check to make sure you put it in the right VGA thing, which I'm going to check right now. Under here.
Oh, it's coming on. There it is.
No, it's probably going to go no signal.
Ugh.
Pam was having this issue.
Okay, I'm going to pause it until we resolve it.
Voila! We had it in the wrong spot.
Thingy.
So our VGA cord, there's 2 VGA spots. You need to be in the one that is closest.
To which side?
You're facing this on the right.
So when you're facing it on the right. Okay.
All right,
So
anyway.
go set that up, right? And then?
Let me review real quick.
Okay.
Watch this. I'm just going to hit window button P and then disconnect projector and it will go away. And then Windows P, duplicate, and it will come back.
So when you unplug that and plug it back in, that's what you have to do each time?
Not each time, but like let's say you're showing the kids something and all of a sudden you don't want them going through your email and seeing whatever you're navigating.
Mm-hmm.
You could just say, oh, you're not looking at this right now.
Oh,
Turns it black.
and you can freeze it on the remote too.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so now it's your turn. Set up, come back in 30 minutes, and we'll move on from there. Thanks.